Why microservices are powerful, but also complex. Everyone talks about microservices breaking applications into small services. Sounds modern and scalable. But it's not always simple. What are microservices? Instead of one big application, you build multiple small services. Each service handles authentication, payments, notifications, orders independently. Why companies use them? Faster development, independent deployment, better scalability. Teams can work separately without affecting others. But here's the reality: microservices introduce complexity. You now deal with service communication, network failures, data consistency, monitoring challenges. What breaks? First, services failing to communicate, API latency issues, debugging across multiple services. One issue can spread across systems. What you need to manage: service discovery, load balancing, centralized logging, error handling. Why many teams fail? They move to microservices too early without strong architecture. When to use microservices: only when system is large, teams are growing, scalability is critical. The shift from simple systems to distributed systems, thinking the final take. Microservices give flexibility, but they demand strong engineering discipline. Rocket